In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then select Theme and tap on one of those to apply the best one. You can manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and then save your keyboard by hitting Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. To customize it, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Now click on one of your photos, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!